This is a budget smartphone with an OIS camera. The Samsung Galaxy M17 starts at 12,499 rupees and gets an FHD Plus display, OIS camera and Gorilla Glass Victus protection. While that's just the start, this review will tell you everything you need to know before buying the Samsung Galaxy M17. So let's start. You get a SIM ejector tool, USB-C to C cable and the phone inside the box but no charger there. Build-wise, the Galaxy M17 is a similar design as the recently launched Galaxy A17. The slightly raised volume and power keys, neat speaker grille and single mic on top with a SIM tray that can either carry a dual SIM combination or a SIM plus micro SD. This is an IP54 rated phone and there's Gorilla Glass Victus on the display for some extra protection. At the front, the M17 here gets a Super AMOLED display, FHD plus resolution, 90Hz panel and it feels smooth and looks good. But it does come with some noticeable bezels on the sides and a thick bezel here on the chin. I personally like the natural mode better, but the vivid mode gives you sharper color if that's your taste. Outdoor visibility is good and the scrolling and binge watching experience is also nice. So no complaints in the display department. At the back, you have triple cameras with a wide, ultra wide and macro lens, with the main one being a 50MP OIS camera. The main lens gives you good results in natural light and indoors, but low light shots are not as detailed. Ultra wide 2 will give you decent images, but there is some warping around the edges. And the macro, this one is really good for the price and will take some decent shots for you. And the front camera is also good for occasional daylight selfies, but nighttime images require you to stay still for a while. The main lens portrait shots also come out good most of the time and videos are mostly steady, especially if you're capturing from the 50MP OIS lens. Now you can take HD or FHD videos at 30 frames per second, low light videos are also steady and the phone is really quick to shift focus as well. And surprisingly, even without the OIS, the video output from the ultra wide lens is really good. Now I wish the images were a little more detailed so we could zoom more into the results, but this is a budget smartphone and for a budget price, this is a decent camera system. Performance-wise, the Samsung Galaxy M17 here is offering Exynos 1330 with 128GB storage with 4GB, 6GB and 8GB RAM variants. We are testing the 4GB variant here and Subway Surfers and Asphalt run really smooth. Yes, the game takes some time to launch, but once it is launched, the gameplay is really smooth. And for a sub 15,000 rupee phone with 4GB RAM, BGMI on basic settings is also smooth on the Samsung Galaxy M17. Multitasking with light apps like YouTube and Chrome is also okay, and this phone has enough power for most day-to-day tasks. Monster is what the M in the Galaxy M series stands for. The M17 is supposed to have monster specifications for the price. The 5000 mAh battery in this phone is definitely not physically a monster big battery, but optimizations make sure that you get at least a full day of use on a full charge. And that full charge will take you about 1 hour 30 minutes with a 25W USB-C to C charger. But we also used a 20W brick that juiced it up in 1 hour 40 minutes. So under 15,000 rupees, Samsung Galaxy M17 is a phone that gives you an IP54 chassis, Gorilla Glass Victus display with really good colors and brightness, a triple camera system that is decent for the price, and a chip that can handle day-to-day tasks. And if that's what you're looking for, then you can check out this phone. And if you want to explore more, then check out Gadgets 360 YouTube channel. My name is Manik Beri, you're watching Gadgets 360 and I'll catch you in the next one.